What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Verasity and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and make sure to watch till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Verasity is another altcoin that has been absolutely crushed in the recent market correction that we've seen. It has actually broken out of the channel that we've actually been outlining here, as we can see. Ever since around May 17th, just before the dump, as we can see, we're at around 2.5 cents, after it seems as though Verasity was forming some form of a bull flag here, as we can see, or at least a bull pennant. And ever since then, the price action has been down for Verasity. There were some early signs that this was happening. Obviously, as we can see, we've got the flip of the EMAs to bearish price action. Since then, we've been struggling to get above even the 20 EMA as we came down, bounced ahead. We did actually bottom out on at around, let me just put a line here so we can see. I haven't actually moved my lines on this chart yet for some reason. I'm just going to put in some key levels here. There we go. So as you can see, we bounced at around 1 cent here and got a nice bounce to the upside. It seems as though Verasity has recovered somewhat from the bottom. As we can see, we are up around 110% in the past few days to this recent high. And it does seem as though we've seen a few bullish signs. Obviously, we've broken out of the channel that we've outlined here. Quite clearly broken out of the channel here. We've also got the bullish cross of the EMAs, which is a good sign that we're heading into some more bullish price action, and it seems to be holding quite strong. Although it doesn't seem as though Verasity has actually made any higher highs yet, which is a little concerning. Obviously, we've come up like this, and we're sort of making higher lows, but we're actually not making higher highs as of yet, which is a bit of a concern, because obviously we want to see cryptos basically coming up, making higher lows and higher highs to continue their recovery, as we can see here. It does look as though we're getting stuck under a resistance here at around 1.8 cents, which does seem to be a historical level of support and resistance. As you can see, there's a large amount of structure here, which means that Verasity may have some hard time breaking out of this area. But it does seem as though to us that Verasity basically is heading in the right direction finally. It's had a nice bounce, as we can quite clearly see. We do think this is a project that is going to perform exceptionally well in the long term, as it's getting more and more adoption all the time. The team is actually bringing out more utility for their token, and also the project in general is going to get more integrations. It's already integrated with YouTube and Twitch, in our opinion, the 2 biggest players in terms of streaming. And Verasity is basically allowing content creators to find new ways to monetize their content with NFTs and all kinds of other goodies. So obviously they're in the gaming industry, which is a huge industry, which is growing every single year by double digits. So it seems very likely to us that Verasity is definitely going to continue to perform well into the future. As we've said on the channel many times, we do think that $1 this year is easily possible for Verasity once it starts to get ahead of steam. As we can quite clearly see, it has run up massively here. Let's just take a look at how much this is. If we just take a look at the start of the year, around January here, let's just take a look at this. If my measurement wants to work. So up over 10,000%. Which is a massive gain, as you can tell. I think that's around 100x. Yeah, from around 0.0005 to around 5.5 cents. So yeah, around 100x. And we do think that it's easily possible, considering Verasity is currently at around 1.8 cents. We do think that a 50 to 100x from here is very possible. We do highly rate Verasity in terms of its tech. We've looked into it heavily, and we do think it's a crypto that is going to perform exceptionally well. Obviously, it's got absolutely crushed recently. From its all-time high, it's down around 82.5%, but it has bounced somewhat since then, and hopefully if we can see some more upwards price action for Verasity, basically moving up these levels of support and resistance and continuing to recover. We do think this is a crypto that can perform exceptionally well this year. So we do really like Verasity. Our short-term price prediction, we would like to see it head up, back up above this 2.5 cent support and resistance level. Obviously, this is quite a historical level of support, which is now flipped into resistance. So we would like to see it break through this and then bounce. If we can get that and get another move to the upside with a bounce off of this 2.5 cent level, we do think that Verasity is going to do very, very well this year. We're going to start to see more of a recovery for it. And we did say our long-term price prediction, we do see Verasity being at least $1 by the end of the year because the sheer amount of utility that it's providing, and it's getting more and more adoption all the time. It's got great integrations with YouTube and Twitch. So all the groundwork is set for this crypto to be basically adopted to a crazy level. And with a market cap of, I think it's less than 100 million now with the recent correction, I think this is an absolute steal, if I'm honest. At the current price levels, Verasity is probably going to perform exceptionally well for the rest of the year. So not financial advice, but this could be an amazing entry point considering that we're still down. Let's take a look at this. Still down around 68% from the all-time high. So if we were to go to the all-time high now, even just to the all-time high, that's around a, what is this, a 3x? So even just a 3x to the all-time high is an incredible achievement, and this could be achieved basically in the next month or so, we think, now that we're seeing signs of a reversal. And then beyond that, we do think 40 or 50 cents, very achievable in the next 2 or 3 months. And then by the end of the bull run, which we do think will be maybe September, October, maybe even November time now, considering this market-wide correction, we do think Verasity $1 plus, very, very achievable. So that's our price prediction for Verasity today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently, only 20% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button as well. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.